Welcome back to Deft Rhino, and today the app that I would be showing about the product proof is Steps at Go. You could see here I had redeemed an Axe signature mini ticket from Steps at Go, and I received it within 14 days time period, and I got it real soon, but it was only for one SSG coin due to the app promotion. So talking about this product, it was really good, and if you wish to try the app, you could definitely go for it, and you could try the app. It's a really good app. It has been paying for many years through various products, but I haven't redeemed a good product yet. So for now I have posted this as product proof. You could get many other products in this also. Until then, see you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.